Welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Table of contents is an essential tool to help your readers navigate through the document effortlessly. Alright, so let's dive in and learn how to organize and enhance your document with an interactive table of contents. Before creating a table of contents in Word, it is essential to include page numbers in your document for easy navigation. By incorporating page numbers, readers can quickly locate specific sections and refer to them accurately. Alright, to add page numbers, follow the below steps. Click on the Insert tab in the toolbar. Select page number from the options and choose the desired location for the page number such as top or bottom of the page, and finally select the preferred format and style for the page numbers. Lastly, double-click anywhere on the body of the document to close the header and footer section. Alright, so once you have the page numbers in place, creating a table of contents becomes much more efficient. First thing, before we dive into the creation of table of contents, let's begin by establishing the headings in our document. Headings provide a structure and organize your content, making it easier for readers to navigate through your document. And to create headings, simply select the text you want to designate as a heading and apply the appropriate heading style from the Styles section in the Word ribbon. You can choose from various heading levels to denote different sections or subsections of your document like this. One important thing to note is, when working on creating headings in MS Word, you can make use of Tab key for switching between headings and subheadings. Let me show what I am trying to say. After assigning a section of text as a heading, if I press the Tab key now, it will instantly transform it to a subheading. You can further keep on pressing Tab key and it will keep on changing to the next level like this. Similarly, if you accidentally make a subheading and want to revert it back to the regular heading, simply press Shift Tab to restore its original formatting like this. Repeat this exercise of assigning headings and subheadings to all the sections of the document. You can also select multiple headings or subheadings and apply the desired style to all of them simultaneously like this. Alright, moving ahead, now that we have our headings in place, let's insert a table of contents in our document. To do this, place the cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Next, navigate to the References tab. From the Table of Contents section, click on the Table of Contents and select the desired style. MS Word provides several built-in styles like these to choose from, or you can opt for a custom style. And once selected, MS Word will automatically generate the table of contents based on the headings in your document like this, which is absolutely amazing. And if you make any changes to your document or headings like this, you can easily update the table of contents by right-clicking and selecting Update Entire Table. And notice that the heading has also updated accordingly. This means MS Word will automatically adjust the table of contents to reflect any modifications or changes which you made. Once table of contents is ready, readers can simply Ctrl+click on a specific section in the table and MS Word will automatically take them to that corresponding section in the document like this. This feature is especially useful for long documents and saving readers time, effort in searching for the specific content. So this brings the end of this video. I hope you found this informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.